Guys, so this is my grilled fruit. I cannot wait to show you guys how to grill fruit indoors. It is so easy and it tastes amazing. So these are the results after grilling my peaches, plums, and pineapples. Now let's get into it, So I have my peach, my amazing peach, the beautiful fruit of Atlanta in the South. I have peaches, yum yum peaches. I also have nectarines, pineapple, and I also have a plum. This one make sure to get your fruit, the fruit you like to grill. I love these grilled. So what you're going to do is heat up a cast iron pan on very high on your stovetop. This one has grill marks. I'll leave the link on where to purchase this down below, as well as everything else I use in this video. And then you're just going to take about a tablespoon of oil and brush it all over this hot pan, like all over. Get in the nitty-gritty in between the toes and everything, you know what I'm saying? So once it's nice and hot, you're going to take your fruit and you're just going to put it on there. You're going to put it on there and you're going to let it do its thing. It is going to just make magic. Don't move it, don't touch it, just let it grill. I usually let it grill for about 2 to 3 minutes and then we're going to peel it. So this is the magic moment to see what it looks like. Oh, pineapple broke in half, but that's alright. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh! You see those grill marks, guys? You don't need a grill for the grill marks. You do need it for the flavor, but that's my peaches. Those are my pineapples, and everything looks amazing. I am beyond impressed with the results. And guys, so this is what my grilled fruit look like. I'm so excited. I'm gonna make a tahini sauce and drizzle it on top, and I'll have this as my little snack. It looks so gorgeous. Look at that pineapple. Sauce to put on top of my salad. It's just a combination of some date nectar and tahini, and that's all you need. Then you get this beautiful salad, which I also added walnuts to. It is a grilled fruit salad, super yummy, and I'm gonna eat this now.
It's like it doesn't. It's, if anything, to me, that's another big thing of why I do it, because it's better. To me, I think food just
watching a movie, eating my plant-based food.
You'll surprise yourself.
Some water always.
Vegetarian.
It's a good documentary. Check it out. It's called Food Choice.
The only thing you know for food, you think you're going to starve to death. You have to understand that R&R sauce, that's where you get your calories and your protein, your vitamins, and your minerals.
That looks so good.